Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing fine and wish you a very happy Deepavali. Uh, in this video today we will see some of the stocks which are in very good level to pick up on this Deepavali occasion. So the first stock which I am picking up is Reliance. So Reliance, if you see, it is trading at around 1332. Many might be wondering why the it is showing at 1332 because the stock has split into half after the bonus issue. So the value is down and it is at a good level also to pick it up. The amount is less. It is will not be a much burden on investors. And the other technical part to pick up the stock is, if you see here, it has given a breakout from its long-term range. See, from April 2022 to December 23, it's a 1.5 years range, and is given breakout here, and it has come back to retest it. So this is a very good range to pick it up, and this will give a massive returns going forward. So this is my first Deepavali pick, and yes, we'll move on to the second one. Second one is GM Breweries. GM Breweries is also a stock which is at a good level to pick up. If you see here, this stock has also given a very long range breakout. So it's a very long range from January 2018. So this is a very big range, and it has given breakout and it has sustained and it has come back to retest it. So from this level, it should bounce back. So this is a good level to pick up to take position in this stock. And the third stock for my Diwali pick is Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Limited. So if you see, this stock also has given a all-time high breakout. It has given breakout from its all-time high, and it has sustained here for a couple of months, and it is moving forward. So it is the best time to pick the stock, or if one can wait to come back, to retest here, but it may take few months. So meanwhile, you can take position. Suppose if it doesn't come back, it will continue to rally. If it comes back here, you can add some more quantities here. So this was my third, stock, and the fourth one is MMTC. MMTC, if you see, for a very long time, it has traded in one particular range here. So if you see here from June 2014, it is in this range itself. And only in Jan 2024, it gave a breakout. It has sustained above this and it has come back to retest that breakout level. And it is at a very good level currently to pick it up. The next stock is Devyani International. Devyani International again. Please take note, everyone. We are in a monthly time frame. I am showing the stocks in monthly time frame, so the levels are also shown in monthly time frame. So Devyani International. One of the reason to pick this stock is it is taking a support at its trend line. So if you see here, every time it has come back at this trend line, it has bounced back. So I am assuming this is just a speculation that it may bounce back from this level also. If at all it doesn't bounce back, then you can consider this just a moment, this level as its stop loss. So if at all it goes back below this and continues to trade for a few months, then it should, the view is negated and we should exit from the stock. But most of the time it should either bounce back from this trend line or at least from this support. So this is a very good stock, and very which is at a very good level to pick it up. And the next one is Bajaj Housing Finance Limited. It is a recently launched stock. So I'll switch to daily time frame to show the stock. So here, if you see, the stock was launched on September 2024, few months back, and since then it has been trading lower than its IPO level. So currently, if you see here, this is a pattern where the stock should bounce back. After a long downtrend, if there is a doji formed and the subsequent candles close above this doji candle, then it should the trend should change from here and the stock should start rallying upside. So this is a very good level, and this stock is also a very good stock, Bajaj Housing Finance Limited. which is trading at a very good level to pick it up for a long-term perspective. The next stock is Geo Financial Services. Let me switch to monthly time frame. So this stock, if you see, let me switch to weekly time frame for better view. So if you see this stock, whenever it has come to this level, it has always bounced back. So if you see here, so every time it has touching this line, this is a major support. It has bounced back, and here also when though it has broken down, but still very next day it has closed above this line, and I'm hoping that it will continue to trade above this line. Suppose if it doesn't trade above that line, then we can consider this line as a stop loss. This is a major support zone for the stock, and it should bounce back from this level. Suppose if it starts trading below this line for a few days, then it should consider the view is negated and it should exit from the stock. So friends, these are my Deepavali or Diwali picks for this year, and I'm expecting minimum 1 or 2 times returns from these stocks. And even after giving 1 or 2 times returns, these stocks are very good stocks to hold for very long time, for say 10 years, 15 years, or even 20 years, whatever horizon you have in your mind. So consider these stocks for a very long time, and all the best everyone. And once again, wish you happy Deepavali.